let's talk about Section 5 again. And Section 5 is very important. It sets out how the law is supposed to be construed. Because you could pass a piece of legislation to, let's say, regulate aquariums. I'm just picking a strange example. And that act just regulates aquariums, but it doesn't affect other things. But when we're talking about fundamental rights, that act has to have paramountcy over other acts. So this is what Section 5 is about. If you were to look at the Canadian Bill of Rights, you would find the similar language, because the Bill of Rights takes precedent over all other acts, unless the other act actually says, well, we're going to not apply the Bill of Rights. Because whenever you're setting out rights that need to be protected, that act has to be above other acts. And so this is what Section 5 is doing. It's saying, look, we have these rights, and the Charter of Health Freedom is above other laws unless the other laws specifically exempt themselves. And the same applies for treaties. It's all fine and good for us to have health freedom, but if Canada passes a treaty that would undermine our rights, this Section 5 says, no, unless the treaty actually addresses this, or Parliament specifically exempts the treaty, that these rights are protected and they apply. And that's why Section 5 is there. It's an extremely important section.